What if you didn't have to keep paying for all these different services that makes our life easier? What if you can actually be the one building your own automations without having to actually write one line of code? You don't have to be a coder to actually do automations these days. A lot of people get put off just because they think it's very complicated. And in reality, it's actually very simple. So terms like making an API call just scare people off. And it's a very simple process. And I'm going to show you today how to actually set up an API call using make.com, which is a no-code platform. Okay, so how do I make an API call in Make? I go into Make, create a new scenario, and then I click on Add a Module, click on HTTP, make a request. So like I was saying before, an API is Application Programming Interface, and all it means is two softwares talking to each other. So let's say that I want to get the weather from a service. What I can do, I can either go to the weather service directly and see if they have an API and look at their documentation and just follow the documentation. But at the end of the day, it's all about just setting up a few parameters. So I'm going to give you an example using Rapid API. And for those of you who don't know, Rapid API is an API marketplace where some people already built the APIs that you need to use. So let's go in and Rapid API and search for weather. Okay, so let's search for weather. So open weather, for example. You see this information here. You have the HTTPS and then the URL. All you need to do is come here, put the URL over here. It is telling you that it is a GET request, so that's why I have GET here. And then the headers, there's a couple of headers that you want to use. One is the X Rapid API host. You're just going to put it as a title. And then the value, just copy and paste. Nothing more than that. And then they're going to ask you for your own X Rapid API key. You put it here. And then you take this value. And by the way, I'm going to have to delete this API key later on, just so people don't use it without my permission. And click OK. You're going to see on the right-hand side here, they're going to ask you to subscribe for a test. And you can actually take the free plan because they give you a few API calls that you can use to make sure that that's the API that you want to use. So how do I make an API call? Let's run this module only. Okay, so it is giving me the weather, and it's giving me on JSON format. Now, let's say that I want to send it over to another application. One of the things that I can do is I can parse this JSON. So JSON, parse JSON. And it's going to ask me, so what is the JSON you want to parse? It's the data that I just got from the API. So save. And let's run this again. So run. There we go. So this is the weather. You have minimum temperature, max temperature, and whatnot. And by the way, you can configure this according to their information, what city that you want, what language that you want. So very easy to make an API call. Now, the other thing that you can do is, depending on what you're trying to do, you might want to send this to another automation. You went in, you got the information from the API service, the weather service, and now you want to send this information to another make automation. And what you can do is now you can actually do an HTTP request, and this time is going to be a post request. And what I'm going to do is I have a webhook that I created, and what I can do is I can take this information, put it here, click OK. Let's run this automation once. It did pass on the information to the webhook. Now, the webhook here, just to make sure that we're on the same page here, it has to be on. Let's run this again. And there you go. It did get the information. So this could be a trigger for a brand new automation that you can, according to the weather, send an SMS alert to somebody. Or let's say that you're building your own little, I don't know, airplane application that you want to use to as a hobbyist, and you want to fly and depend on the weather, or you're a sailor and you're going out to sea and you want to see what the weather is going to be like, so they can send you your own alert. Now, you don't have to depend on anybody for this. You can actually build it for you yourself. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and it's a very quick video, but it's just to take that fear of some terms that people have, especially if you're not in the tech industry, API calls. And it's nothing very, very hard to do, and especially when you're using no-code automation tools such as Make. Okay, I'll see you in the next video.